In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Dkim on Google Workspace. Setting up domain keys identified mail or Dkim is a crucial step in ensuring that your email communications are secure and trusted. By enabling Dkim, you're adding a layer of verification to your emails, making it hard for others to spoof or impersonate your domain. So let's dive into how you can set this up in just about 5 minutes. First off, you'll need to sign into your Google Workspace account. Begin by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're there, you'll see the option to choose your Google account. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is standard procedure to ensure the security of your account, so go ahead and key in your password. Now click on the next button. This will take you further into your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon made up of 9 square dots, often referred to as the waffle icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal multiple Google services and applications. From this list, find and click on the Admin Console. This is where the magic begins. In the Admin Console, your first move is to click on Apps. This will direct you to where all your Google Workspace applications are managed. Now you want to focus on Google Workspace core services, so click on Google Workspace. This will lead you to a list of all the Google apps available to you. From this list, what we're interested in today is Gmail, so go ahead and click on it. Within the Gmail settings, you'll see an option for Authenticate Email. Click on that. This is where you start the process of setting up Dkim for your domain to ensure your emails are securely signed. The next step is crucial. You'll see an option for TXT record value. This is where Google provides you with a unique record that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Make sure to copy this value accurately. After you've copied the TXT record value, the final step here is to click Save. This confirms the changes you've made and applies the setting to start the process of authenticating your emails using Dkim. What's important to remember is that the changes you make might not take effect immediately. DNS changes can take a bit of time to propagate across the internet. It's not unusual for this to take a few hours, so a bit of patience is required. Also, double checking the record you've entered is crucial. Any mistake here can cause the authentication process to fail, and that's it. You've now successfully set up Dkim for your emails on Google Workspace. This setup will significantly enhance the security and trustworthiness of your emails, protecting your domain's reputation and ensuring your communications are taken seriously. In today's online environment, taking steps like these to secure and authenticate your email communications is not just recommended, it's necessary. Thank you for following along, and here's to more secure email communication for your domain.